What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this little porch addition again. Same place I just did the little glass block windows. So I have a doorway here that I don't want to be a doorway. So I have some block. I have some more in my truck here. We're going to work on blocking up this doorway. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. Okay, so first I just found cleaned up this little bottom area where I'm going to start. Scraped off all the leaves and gravel and used a brush. Found the bottom block and I'm going to start here. Start with a nice big bed of mortar. Now you should be buttering these as you go, but I just like to use a bag. I think it's easier for something small like this. You can see how I pumped mud into all the edges. So now I think I'm gonna have to get my big saw out, but I can lay one in the middle. All right, so now I'm going to cut some halves to put on each side of the block in the middle. Okay, so I think I'm gonna cut this block out and this one so I can fit a whole block right into place. Should work out pretty well. Okay, so I got that out. I should be able to slide one in there, no problem, and make this all mesh together. Now I'm just gonna pump this mortar in. Ouch. And this is what you get when you're all done. So, got it all blocked up. No more door. So you can definitely see where it's been blocked up as of right now. But I'm gonna plan on painting this. All this block is gonna be a dark brown to match the rest of the foundation. So after it's painted, you won't even be able to notice that, you know, this has been blocked up. Before I paint it, or actually before I lay these 4-inch block that are going to go on the top, I think I might actually cut out these ones where these two halves meet. So here, here, and here, because it's not exactly ideal to have a joint that just lines up like that. So I think one of these days I am going to cut those out, maybe even put a couple 3/4 in right here, and maybe one down there. We'll see, just to break up that line a little bit. But I could live with it like this. Like I said, once it's painted, you won't be able to even tell or notice. But just to make it a little bit better, I think I will do that one of these days. So that'll be in the future. But next, I'm gonna put some angle iron lintels above these glass block, and then I'm gonna lay these 4-inch block all the way across here, and one step at a time. So yep, that's what we got now. No more doorway. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of me blocking up this door, working on this little addition. I got lots of projects to do, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. And do me a favor and drop a big thumbs up down below. It really helps out the video, helps it reach a wider audience. That's gonna be all guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.